Hi friends, we have A1, A2, A3. This sequence is in harmonic progression and A1 is 5, A20 is 25. If this sequence is in harmonic progression, what does that mean? The reciprocal of these terms. 1 by A1, 1 by A2, 1 by A3, they will be in arithmetic progression. Right. Now A1 is 5 and A20 is 25. That means 1 by 5, 1 by A2, 1 by A3, and 1 by 25. These are in arithmetic progression. Clearly, we can see 1 by 5 and 20th term in arithmetic progression is 1 by 25. Right. That means this progression is decreasing. Right. 1 by 5 is greater than 1 by 25. That means the D is negative. The difference, common difference, 1 by A2 minus 1 by 5 should be negative because this is a decreasing sequence. Right. Now 1 by 5 plus d, whatever is the difference. This is in arithmetic progression, right? 1 by 5 plus d should be 1 by a2. 1 by 5 plus 2d should be 1 by a3. And this is the 20th term, right? This is the 20th term. So 1 by 5 plus 19d should be equal to 1 by 25. Right. That means 19d is equal to 1 by 25 minus 1 by 5, which is equal to 1 minus 5 by 25, which is minus 4 by 25. D equals minus 4 by 19 into 25. Right. This is what we have all earlier also felt that this D should be a negative number. Right. D is equal to minus 4 by 19 into 25. Right. Now an is the harmonic progression, right? An should be less than 0. What does that mean? If an is less than 0, automatically 1 by an is also less than 0. Basically, in the first 20 terms, these are all positive terms only, right? This arithmetic progression, it is reducing from 1 by 5 and it reduced till 1 by 25. Right. And further, some more reduction, it will become negative. Right, this arithmetic progression, some term will become negative. That is the term we are looking for. An less than 0 automatically means 1 by an is also less than 0. So if we look for what that 1 by an, that is this arithmetic progression, right, 1 by 5 plus some n minus 1 into d, right. Then if that number is negative, obviously an is also negative, and then what is the 10, which I have to find out, right. Now, an is less than 0, 1 by an should also be less than 0. 1 by what is 1 by an? 1 by a1 plus n minus 1 into d. Because 1 by a1 and 1 by a2, 1 by a3, these are in arithmetic progression. Right. What does that mean? 1 by a1. A1 by a1 is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 plus n minus 1 into d. D is minus 4 by 19 into 25. This should be less than 0. What does that mean? 1 by 5 should be less than if we take this to the right side. 4 into n minus 1 by 19 into 25. What does that mean? 5 will go 5 times here. 5 into 19 is 95. N minus 1 into 4 or n minus 1 should be greater than this 5 into 19, which is 95 by 4. Right, if you simplify this expression. And what does that mean? N is greater than 1 plus 95 by 4. What is 1 plus 95 by 4? It is 99 by 4. N is greater than 99 by 4. Right, and 100 by 4 would be 25. So, and 99 by 4 is not an integer. N, we want an integer, right? N equals 25. Because n greater than 99 by 4 should be equal to 25. Right. Now, if you put 5 more terms, this sequence will become negative. And that is what we are looking for. When we do that, then automatically 1 by this A25 will become less than 0. That means A25 will also be less than 0. So the answer is 25. Right, guess. Simple problem. Hope you like this.